Hello guys, here I'm showing you that I bought a strawberry grow kit and I'm gonna open it and hopefully water and plant it to get it ready. I bought this from Dollar Tree for $1. Let's open it first. It's got everything you need in it. Contents. It's got one plastic pot, one seed packet here. This is the Buzzy Seeds brand. One growing medium pellet. And that's the thing here. Let's keep this here inside. Let's read the instructions. Remove your growing container from the packaging. Place the growing medium pellet in a bowl. Add 3/4 cup lukewarm water. The pellet will absorb water and turn into growing medium. Fluff the growing medium with a fork. Add in more water if necessary. Pour 3/4 of the growing medium into the container. Use the remainder to cover the seeds after planting. Carefully open the seed packet and sprinkle seeds evenly in the container. Save remaining seeds for the future plants. Place the container in a sunny spot. Turn it every day so it receives equal sunlight every day. Water as needed. When your seedlings reach 2 to 3 inches in height, use a standard fertilizer and follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging. You can grow 3 plants in the spot. When seedlings have 3 sets of leaves, transplant the seedlings to larger containers or to your garden. After moistening the growing medium, carefully remove each seedling, taking as much growing medium and roots as possible, and gently replant them. Do not move your plant outside until after the last frost. Do not eat seeds. Yeah, these are the instructions, so let's try that. I'm not gonna use a bowl. I'm just gonna use this container. Here I found a cup. I put the pellet in it, and I put like almost a cup of water in it, and the pellet will absorb all the water. It will become a growing medium, and then I will put it inside this plastic pot. Maybe I need a little bit more water because it still looks dry. Let's put this growing soil. Three-fourths of it into the pot. And then let's open these seeds. They're very small, so be careful, don't lose them. Try to put many seeds into the soil. And here put the rest of the soil to cover up the seeds that you just sprinkled. Here the pot and the soil are both ready, the seeds are planted, and then now we're gonna water because it's still dry. After you plant the seeds, you always need to water because the seeds need a lot of moisture to go through the germination process. I guess this is enough because excess water is coming out at the bottom. That means you have enough water. And just put it by the window. Open the blinds so during the day your pot gets enough sunlight for it to be warm and wet enough to germinate all the seeds. And this is how you do it. This is a strawberry growing kit. I just planted some strawberry seeds into the soil. Hopefully it works. I'll let you know in a few days. If it doesn't work, I will probably plant something else in it.